Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is an exciting news. The IOPn Testnet is officially live. You can see on their X handle, they said the IOPn Testnet is live. A sovereign layer 1 built for apps that demand reliability, transparency and scale. So with the launch, we are introducing an exclusive limited time Genesis M badge for early testers. So claim yours here. So to get started, I will quickly walk you through how to join the testnet and claim your badge step by step. So it is very nice and very easy. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Genesis N badge site, then click on connect wallet, then it will bring out options of your wallet, then click on MetaMask. I'll be leaving all the links you need for this in the description so that you don't get to copy a wrong link. So once you click on connect MetaMask, you approve the transaction in your wallet, then click connect. Once you are connected, you also click on add to add the IOPn Testnet chain to your MetaMask. So once you add that, then you see wallet connected. Then once your wallet is connected, scroll down, then you see continue to video. Then it will bring out a video for you to watch. Just have patience and watch the video. It won't even take up to 30 seconds. So once you're done watching the video, hold on, the video is still playing. So once you're done watching the video, either you see, as an early adopter of OPN chain, you are about to claim an exclusive soulbound NFT. The Genesis N badge is a permanent bound to your wallet. So once you are done with this, so the next thing you need to do is either you watch again or you click continue. So I'll click on continue. Now it will bring out the badge. Then you don't have a test token, so you have to click on get test tokens. So once you click on it, you allow it to load. Then now it brought out the test token page. What you need to do is to paste your wallet address. So you head over to your MetaMask to copy your wallet address. Once you copy your wallet address from your MetaMask, you come here to this option here. Hold on. Once you copy your wallet address, then come back to this box here, this option here. Yes, and paste your wallet address. Once you paste it, then you verify the captcha here. I'm not a robot. Then you scroll down, click on request 10 OPN. Then once you click on request 10 OPN, you scroll down, you see successfully sent 10 OPN to your wallet address. So the next thing you need to do now that you have claimed your test token is to go back to the main page, which is the Genesis badge page. Then you click on verify balance, this one under get test token. So you click on verify balance, you can see verified, balance is verified. Then you will now see claim badge. Then once you're done claiming your badge, once you click on claim badge, you approve transaction in your wallet. Hold on. Then approve. Once you approve transaction, success. You can see now that you've successfully minted your badge, your early badge, you can decide to, you don't even need to, you need to just share it on your X, that is former Twitter. So proceed to share it to on your X account. So I'll proceed to share mine now. Allow it to load. Then I just claimed my exclusive Genesis M badge OPN chain testnet. Proud to be an early pioneer in the IOPN ecosystem. This soulbound NFT marks my commitment to the future of decentralized infrastructure. So I'll click on post. Then I'll proceed to post. Then that's all. Then now that I've posted that on my X, make sure you post this on your X. Now that I've posted this on my X, the next thing I need to do is to go back to my N badge site. This is actually all. This is actually all you need to do. But you can decide to go to your this. Another thing they say we should do here is then verify your badge on your Xeet Signal IOPn to get your early points. So, but it's not available at the moment. But you can just decide to go to the Xeet page under their IOPn page to maybe you can do some tasks that are actually pending for you. So to do some tasks, the testnet task for now, this is where it ends. But if you want to do this task, repost and comment, you click on that, then it will take you to Twitter. Then once you get to Twitter, when you get to X, all you need to do is to comment, like, and repost. Hold on. You comment on this post, like, and repost. Once you're done doing that, go back to your IOP and the Xeet page under their IOPn tournament. Then click on the task again. Then click on claim. Once you click on claim, you see quest completed. So this quest is completed. Now that the quest is completed, the next thing you need to do is to be active on IOPN Discord, their X handle, and await any further announcement that will come. And that is it. Your IOPN Genesis M badge is now claimed. Remember, being early to projects like this often pays off, especially when you are part of their testnet and ecosystem growth. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Oh, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides. I've got more like this coming soon.